I am so excited. I just got my big old box from Just Move Supplements. So I'm just cutting that open. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, what is this? What is this? We appreciate you. I appreciate you too. Mama Peach, that's a dang adorable. Alrighty, I'm gonna save that. First, I got my little shaker bottle. Just Move. That's a nice quality. It's not like flimsy. Oh, that is a nice little shaker bottle there. And then in this, oh, that's a big old box. Oh, yo, that's heavy. Wait. Okay. Hold on. Just upside down. Hold on. I want to make sure I'm opening it the right way. I don't want a catastrophe. It is upside down. BRB. Oh, this is a nice box. I love boxes. I can't help myself. I'm like a cat. I don't care. I love boxes. I love reusing them. So I'm going to figure out something to do with this one because this is a nice box. Let's see what's inside. Oh, wow. How cool. First of all, yes. Yes. You are wonderful. Our team says thank you. Thank you guys for having such an amazing array. Listen, I'm going to get to that paper in a minute, but these, oh my gosh. I'm here for this. 1, 2, 3 blueberry muffins. We've got buttercream cupcake. We've got banana pudding, which I'm very excited about. Apple pie slice, chocolate cake, and mama's sweet potato pie. Okay, and in the middle, what we got? Oh, this is a big old thing. This is a big old thingy thing. This is the Red Fruit Punch Rush. Excited about that. Oh, and then I didn't even realize. Okay, Grandma's lemon pound cake. I'm excited. And then I got this big old thing. Green apple fat burner here for it. Oh, I'm so excited. Appetite control, all the things. Y'all, I can't wait to get this on and popping. Red Fruit Punch. Ugh. Now, I'm going to taste it, and hopefully I don't want to add nothing with a proof to it. But I feel like it just sounds like something that goes real nice with something with a little proof. Okay, that is nice. I'm excited. This has me excited about my journey. I'm excited about this. All right, let's see what we about to do. I knew this felt hefty, but I didn't understand why until I started I took the top off. Top come off. Stop embarrassing me. I took the top off, as I was saying, and I see the little cage in here. Now, clearly, I haven't researched exactly the things that I was getting. I was just like, give it to me, please. Thank you. But yeah, so I opened up the cup, and it's like this stuff in here. So I'm taking it apart. That's a cool little shaker piece. I've never seen that before. That is so smart. And then it's like this thing here. It's just an empty cup, okay. And then this thing here, which I'm like, okay, this must hold like supplements and things, okay. And then it's like a cup in a cup. Okay, so I'm like, well, this definitely is for the shaker because that's how you mix up all your proteins in there. Okay, but then this builds into something. So now I'm about to Lego this together, and I think this, no, Hold on, hold on, hold on. That goes there, maybe? So white cup stacks in black cup, and then pill thingy stacks in white cup, and then real shaker cup stacks on top, and then you twist, twist, twist. Now, look at this. I mean, the Transformer cup was not something that I was expecting, but I'm so happy that I got it. So happy that I got it. Okay, bye.